Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In the weekend edition of Saturday, December the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, and this is one of them, 4-star Sudoku. And I've made a mistake with this one. This one is a hard one. So what I've done is I've printed this out, and yeah, we do again this one. We will solve this again. This will be number 9718, and before I start I always count the printed digits. 24 printed digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, 24. Alright, this one is a hard one. I've made a mistake, so maybe you will also made a mistake. So and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 3 1's, 4 1's. The fifth one should be in one of these 3 boxes. If I place the other one in here, then we will have 3 O's. Not allowed, one of the rules. So these 3 boxes should be an O. Double O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1 2 3 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we will have 3 1. So it's not allowed. One of the rules. So here can be an O. These two should be. We have 2 O's. So here 1, there 1. So the O's, 1 O should be in one of these 3 boxes. Okay. Double O's. Here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Okay, between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1 2 3. Here. Between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between us, always an O and a 1 there. Same for here. Between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between us, always an O and a 1 there. Here also, between an O and a 1, O and a 1. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between us, always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be in 1 and 1. 4. And now, yeah, now. And now. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Yeah. What's happening? Here, between an O and a 1, O and a 1. Between an O and a 1, O and a 1. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so these two should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between the O's, no and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So those two boxes should be an O then. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Here O and a 1, okay. Now it's the difficult part. Now it's the difficult part. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These two should be between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between us. Always an O and a 1 now. But I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4. If place number 5 here. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Yeah, now. Between two O's comes a 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the difficult part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want the damn one. Come on. Now I need to do a try and error. Yeah. Well, suppose this is an O. We have an O and a 1 here. Suppose this is an O. Then this should be a 1. Then we have a double O here. That's here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, okay. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these two should be double O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be a 1. And double ones, here no, there no. Now we have 3 O's. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it's not wise. This I start with the O here. So this should be a 1 then. Let me place the 1 here. Okay. So now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Okay. Okay. And now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 entry boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Double ones here, no there, no. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. And between the ones comes an O. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And here between the ones comes an O. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's here, 1 there, 1. And double ones here, no there, no. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 10 minutes. Well. But this one I've already made before, made a mistake, so it's a disaster. The whole puzzle, it's a mess. So print this again out and solve it again. But we solve it again. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.